Dear Biafrans and great viewers of this channel all over the world, I bring you greetings and say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, like, share, and turn on the notification button as well, in order to stay tuned whenever I upload new video. Because in this channel, we bring it to you how it happened, be it in politics, security, education, economy, social and cultural perspectives. Because as far as I know, a lot of things are still yet to be done to get our people informed, to make our people remain informed, and to get our people updated on the happenings all around the globe, especially in Nigeria and Old Eastern region in particular. So this particular program is about the interesting topics within the week, because from this day on henceforth I'll be dropping interesting topics within the week at every weekend, and I urge you to stay tuned and watch to the end, as you will find it interesting, while you also watch the videos which I'll be dropping on a daily basis. And every weekend you get this long video where topics are piled up. So the first topic says, we have defeated insurgency, but we are currently faced with the challenges of terrorism. Buratai. Now this is a very question, or a call for questioning. Are these people, do they think that we are confused or fools, that they can grammatically make us understand or confuse us? Because as far as I know, this statement doesn't have meaning. How can you defeat insurgency, but the same you is facing terrorism? That's very funny. Funny to hear from a chief of army staff for that matter. So that is the lie they peddle on daily basis to cover all the lies they have been lying. Like the philosopher of life says, when you lie one lie, you will need more than 1,001 lies to cover it up. APC, led by Buhari, government has been lying. They came in through lies, and they have been lying to cover up their weaknesses, and they will continue to lie until the last day they will spend in office. And better said, until Biafra comes, because I believe Biafra is already here. So in the next topic, you hear something like, bandit kill 18 soldiers in Castina. Bandits killed 18 soldiers. Anyways, when you hear 18 soldiers, there is something about it, and that thing is that the casualties are always very high, always more than as quoted. And if they can quote these 18 soldiers, it means more than 50-something soldiers are killed, because it is in the norms of Nigerian government to reduce the number of casualties, to cover up their weaknesses, to cover up the state orchestrated crime against humanity going on in Nigeria on random basis. It is so abhorring to ever admit that a government of this caliber will continually joke with human lives. So let's move on to another topic, because they will not rest until they leave Biafrans alone, because if Biafra is still part of Nigeria, they will remain in agony, because the agony they embedded on Biafrans is what they are eating from, because the table have already turned. When you create a monster, the monster, when it's no longer having food to eat, we turn around to eat the creator. So in the other news, you hear the topic says Akwa Ibom State is under siege by the Nigerian police. Governor Emmanuel Odom. Seriously? The northern slave boys in the governorship seat will continue denying the fact that Old Eastern region is under siege, but they continue lying to themselves, thinking they can deceive the people. That is not being done. It's not possible, because we the people we knew. Why do you say that they are under siege by Nigerian police? They are not under siege by Nigerian police, because the so-called Nigerian police are terrorist agents. They are repentant Boko Harams instituted and shipped down to the south to occupy and haze and help to abhor the activities of Boko Haram. Because according to him, as you can see in the video you're about to watch, they arrested people with AK-47, and when they get to the police and the police release them, it's uncalled for. Take a look at the video.
We've seen a trace of it today, because some people were arrested with fake army uniforms. They came with 18 AK-47 and they were arrested. But unfortunately, as I'm speaking right now, as those people were arrested, the QRS person, through the order of the Commissioner of Police, were asking that those people should all be let go. And before this time, fortunately, some of our guys were able to capture this thing with their phones. So we have pictures of the fake army uniforms those people were wearing. We are going to play for the whole world to see. The 18 AK-47 recovered by the police. Police have allowed them to take them all back. This is the same Warsaw that was pronounced. The IG of police, we've reported this thing to the highest order. We've reported it to the presidency, to all the arms of the security agencies. And nobody has taken steps to address it. So they are leaving Akwa people to defend themselves. Meanwhile, they are using our own oil money to maintain security. Just recently, the SS crude account that was kept for our own people had been used to acquire military weapons. We didn't know those weapons were used to come and intimidate Akwa people. So we've called on all the powers that be. We've called on the international community that this is a war that has been declared. I've never heard where Nigerian police is a partisanship. This is the first time where the entire police structure is belonging to a particular political party. But since we don't have the police, we don't have anything except God that we have on our people. We want to let the whole world know that whatsoever happens in this state is caused by the police, not any other arm of the agency, but the police force. With the people that the court had actually declared as illegal occupants of that seat. And today he led them into the place with talks. And we're calling on all that let the police force be called to order. They should go and defend Nigerian territories where need be. They were meant to maintain peace and order, internal peace and order, not to cause chaos in someone's state. And if they are playing politics this way, there's no hope for democracy in this country.
So in the other news, Kugbe or Kakuri market, Kaduna State, demolished by El-Rufai. Now here is where the concerns of the old Eastern region people comes in again, and particularly the Igbo people. Those who claim that we are one Nigeria. There is nothing one about Nigeria. Since December till now, both in Southwest, especially Festac, and the North, there have been rampage demolition of properties privately owned with or without the consent of the people that owns it by El-Rufai and their allies, who are deemed fit to curtail the excesses of Igbo people, economic importance of Igbo people, because that is what they have resorted to. Since you people don't, because according to them, they don't really know what is actually going on and who is sponsoring IPOB, who is sponsoring Biafra agitation. So they want to ensure that we remain at, they caught the people of Biafra and every other reasonable Igbo, reasonable business owners in Nigeria to size. So we continue to urge you to invest in Igbo land. Invest in Igbo land. Real estate is a very good opportunity now to start investing in Igbo land. The fire will explode very soon. And when it does, you find out at the end of the day, those who already had investments are the ones who are going to enjoy the proceeds of the earlier investment. Take your wealth home. Take your wealth home.